All right, this video we're going to be talking about cleaning your condenser, a little bit of maintenance you can do on Velit rooftop AC units. This is a 2000R Mini that we have right here. We have our compressor, we have our blower with the foam cover, and then we have our condenser and condenser fan right here. This is the compressor control module right here. So to get to this point, there's going to be 8 screws. It's going to be 2 on each side. So I've already got the cover off, but these are just little 8mm. Some of them have a little Phillips head on them as well. So you'll do those, take that off. Next step you're going to do is you're going to want to remove the, and I should say, so you're going to want to remove the condenser fan here. And we're going to do that by just removing 4 bolts. Depending on the unit you have, they might be different bolts. This Mini is going to have just Phillips, but a 2000R is going to have something more like this 10mm lag bolt. So there's 4 screws. There's 2 here and 2 here. So once you just back those out, then you have access to lift up the condenser fan. It's connected with 1 wire to the compressor control module right here. So if we just unhook that, then we can lift this up gently, everything gently around this thing. And you can either put this out of the way or you can feed that wire out. Once you're to this point, you're ready to clean the condenser. To do this, all you're gonna do is just pour water through it. Let water pour right through it, and that's gonna clean it. You can use a hose if you want, and just don't go crazy with the pressure. Everything's gentle on this. If you're gonna be using a brush, really soft brush, you wanna go kind of with the grain of the coils in here. And so you don't wanna be going side to side, bending those over and preventing airflow. So just pour water through it. This is a good example. It's kind of real dusty and dirty. So you're going to want to do this if yours, you suspect yours is dirty like this. It depends on run time, so I'm not going to speculate. Look up our articles for more information on time frames on those. Once you're done with that, you can just put this right back on. It lines up with its holes. You can plug in the power to the compressor control module. You can put your 4 bolts back in, and you can put the cover back on and the 8 bolts around the top, and that's it. That's how you clean a condenser fan or a condenser below the fan. So thank you so much. Hope that helps.